Hi everybody. In this video, we are going to see how admin can approve the mobile registration request or reject the mobile registration request. Once admin login into Inspire portal app, in the dashboard screen, admin can see how many mobile has been registered and how many yet to approve. By clicking on this, we can directly go to the mobile registration page, or we can come to this page by go to organization and go to mobile registration page. So here we have two tab pages. One is yet to approve, one is registered. So those who are registered, it is coming here. Those who are not requested and pending for approval, it will come here. So here I connected. Okay, let's connect again. Here I am connecting one mobile device. So you can see log into mobile device. Inspire HR will ask the employee to allow the location, allow for all the time. So you can see this device is not registered here. So here I just tap on this register button. So you can see registered my mobile button. Just tap on register my mobile. So mobile registration request has been sent successfully pending for approval. Now in admin C, now see in go to dashboard. You can see in admin's dashboard it is coming one count yet to approve. So click on the count. Either admin can reject by clicking on reject button or admin can approve. Once admin approve the request, the employee will receive one email stating that your mobile registration request has approved. So let's go and check. Let's say now you can see here it is coming device is registered pending for approval. In notification tab, you can see one notification is came. We have received your request to register mobile device. We will update you soon. Let's go to admin section and approve the request. So device has been approved. Go to notification in the app. You can see your mobile device registration is approved. Now you can start punch in, punch out. Back to the dashboard. Wait for load. So you can see now it is enabled for punch in and punch out. Now in admin section, admin want to view the reports. Go to report sections. You can find time and attendance report. Here mobile punches detail report. So you can see from 13 July to 14 July there are no data. Go to mobile punch, mobile screen, do a punch in. So you can punch save successfully. So punch on 6:41 p.m. Now come to the admin section on mobile punches detail report. So you can see this employee has did a punch in from this address. Now I will do one punch out from mobile. So once employee will do punch in, next time it will come punch out. So here I am doing a punch out. Come to admin section, click on submit. So you can see what is the punch in time or the punch out time in mobile punches detailed report. One more report is there, mobile punches employee wise daily report. So you can see, click on submit. So this employee has fast punch 641, again 641 stamp punch. Now you can see what is the fast punch location, what is the last punch location. Click on view punches. You can find in the single day how many punches is there. Let's go to mobile screen. Again do punch in. Again I am doing punch out. So here you can see only one record. If you click on view punches, some multiple record will come and the geolocation of that punches. In this way, admin can approve. So here, go to mobile registration. Admin can approve or reject any mobile registration request. Again, same employee admin can delete again. So go to search, remove. So once it is removed, go to the admin Inspire HR app. You can see again it is asking for please register your mobile. Go to notifications. Now we will again register our mobile. Either we can go to click on this please register your mobile option, or we can go to mobile on the menus and mobile registrations. So you can register my mobile. So in admin section yet to approve, click on search. So here you can see it is yet to approve status. Select this one. Here also you can see in yet to approve count. Select this one and reject. If you reject this, if admin reject the request, so you can see in dashboard mobile registration request has been rejected. So next time in notification also you can see in notification that we have rejected the mobile device registrations. The same thing also we can Answer will send email to employees. So you can see the device has been rejected. So in this way, admin can reject or approve mobile registration request, and by going to report, time and attendance report, mobile punches detailed report and mobile punches employee wise day wise report, admin can view the exact biometric report. Thank you very much.